Hello everyone, and welcome to the Samsung Product Consultant channel. I'm Murat. Today we are putting 11 of the most popular current Samsung washing machines available right now in our store under the microscope. We aren't just looking at capacity. We're going to do a deep dive into the absolute peak of Samsung's technology in artificial intelligence, energy efficiency, and fabric care. If you're ready, let's start with our flagship models and get into the details. At the very top of our list is the absolute embodiment of AI, the WW11DB8B95GBAH. This 11 kilograms giant doesn't just wash clothes. Thanks to AI Wash, it uses 5 different sensors to analyze the weight, softness, and soil level of your fabrics. It calculates water and detergent down to the millimeter and even extends the wash cycle automatically if needed. With the auto dispense system, you can forget about adding detergent for up to a month. Plus, with its 40% energy efficiency rating, it's one of the most economical devices on the market. Wrapped in a stunning black bespoke design, it will definitely turn your bathroom into a high-tech hub. For those who prioritize efficiency over massive capacity, I highly recommend the WW90DG6U25LBAH. This black beauty offers a 9 kilograms capacity and utilizes SpaceMax technology, maximizing the internal drum space without increasing the exterior dimensions. The standout feature here is the super speed 39-minute cycle, which leaves up to 5 kilograms of daily laundry spotlessly clean without compromising quality. The eco-bubble generator activates detergent even at low temperatures, penetrating deep into fabric fibers. It's a stylish and incredibly smart choice. Next up is the white sibling to our previous model, the WW90DG6U25 Leah, a favorite for those who want a bright, fresh look in their laundry room. Technically, it boasts a 1,400 revolutions per minute spin speed and full SmartThings integration. By turning on AI energy mode from your phone, you can track your monthly electricity usage and set saving goals. The specially designed drum reduces friction to extend the life of your delicate garments. And the digital inverter motor, which runs much quieter than standard machines, gives you peace of mind with a 20-year warranty. Stepping back up to an 11 kilograms capacity, we have the WW11DG6B25LBAH. This was designed specifically for large families and for washing bulky items like duvets and blankets. The AI control panel learns your habits, prioritizes your most used cycles, and even suggests drying settings based on the weather. Thanks to the SpaceMax chassis, it offers a massive internal washing area while taking up the same footprint as a standard machine. The black glass door paired with the black body gives it a truly premium, sleek look. If you love the contrast of a white body with a black door, the WW11DG6B25 Leah is perfect for you. This 11 kilograms, 1,400 revolutions per minute model features Samsung's special balancing system, ensuring minimum vibration even at top speeds. The eco-bubble technology mixes detergent with air and water to create a rich foam, easily lifting stains even in cold water, which prevents your clothes from shrinking or fading. It's perfect for clearing a large family's laundry load in one go, in the most economical way possible. Meet the eco-friendly face of the Bespoke series, the WW11DB7B34GBAH. This model features a fully tempered glass door, making it extra resistant to scratches and impacts. But the real game changer is the less microfiber cycle. It prevents up to 54% of the microplastics shed from your clothes from ending up in our oceans. With its matte black finish, it seamlessly fits into modern spaces. If you want top-tier technology while being mindful of your environmental footprint, this is the right choice. Here is the white representative of our microplastic reducing series, the WW11DB7B34GEAH. Thanks to its tempered glass door, it won't yellow or fog up over time, maintaining its day one brilliance. When its 11 kilograms capacity meets AI eco-bubble, it maximizes the power of detergent foam against the toughest stains. You can protect your budget by using energy monitoring via SmartThings. It's for those looking for a machine that looks simple on the outside but is packed with technology on the inside, blending bespoke aesthetics with classic white. Our WW11BBA046ABAH model offers the clean, modern lines of the Bespoke Design with a more straightforward interface. It's ideal for those who prefer direct functionality over complex menus. The 11 kilograms capacity and hygiene steam feature takes center stage here. Powerful steam released from the bottom of the drum penetrates the laundry, eliminating 99.9% of bacteria and allergens. It's an economical, black, and incredibly durable alternative for large families. And here is my personal favorite, the WW11BB 944 DGMAH. This machine is equipped with Samsung's legendary QuickDrive technology. The back plate of the drum rotates independently, dynamically tossing the clothes in multiple directions rather than just spinning them, which cuts washing time by 50%. It also features AI Wash and Auto Dispense. So it's the smartest, the fastest, and it manages its own detergent. If you're saying, my time is valuable, but the clean must be flawless, this is your only choice. Say goodbye to guessing how much detergent to use with the WW11BB 534 DABA Black model. The auto dispense unit precisely measures the detergent based on how dirty the clothes are. This not only saves you money but also prevents your clothes from wearing out due to detergent residue. With its 11 kilograms capacity and AI panel, it meets all the needs of a modern bathroom. Combined with black elegance, this fully automatic experience will make your daily routine so much easier. The final model in our review is the WW11BB 534 DAEAH. It comes with an 11 kilograms capacity, 1,400 revolutions per minute, and that fantastic auto dispense feature. It brings the clean feel of white together with the sharp, modern lines of the Bespoke Design. You can get a notification on SmartThings when your cycle is done, and even check how much electricity each program used. Thanks to its user-friendly AI interface, it handles all your needs with a simple turn of a dial, rather than a clutter of confusing buttons. Well, there you have it. Today, we took a detailed look at 11 of the most current Samsung models. We've explored game-changing technologies, from AI Wash to QuickDrive, and SpaceMax to Auto Dispense. Remember, the right machine is the one that best fits your specific needs. If you're around, you can always come check out these products live at our Hilltown store here in Izmir. If you have any questions, let's meet in the comments section. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next tech review video. Take care.